Welcome to Think a Bit. I'm Joe King, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about the XA miner. This is the most informative video about the XA miner. I'm going to share my review of it, what I think of the project, my earnings, the profitability. Everything's going to be included in this video, so make sure you stick around and watch the whole entire video. There's not a better video explaining this XA miner. I'm going to go through the web, white paper, everything. So let's start off right here on their website. Now, what is their website? xaminer.net. Now that's a huge red flag, right? Who has a .net website? This ain't freaking 1990s. You couldn't get a .com website, a .io website. Huge red flag there. Alright, so let's talk about the machine real quick. What are the specs in the machine? Now they have a cheap Intel processor, not even a good one. And how much power does it use? It uses about a kilowatt of power each day, which is a lot. That's a lot of power to use each day. It's pretty bad for the environment. Things going to cost about $15 a day to run, in my estimation. And let's take a look at the hard drives they're using. This is a big concern. Look at these hard drives. These hard drives are not even SSD hard drives. These are like the spinning ones. So that means it's going to take a lot more of your internet. It's going to be using your internet all day, because you know how slow these hard drives are. SSDs are so much faster, so these things are going to be sending information, store information on these slow hard drives. It's going to be taking forever to save, so it's going to be using your internet all day. I mean, how much do these cheap hard drives cost? Why couldn't they get SSD hard drives? Let's go to Newegg. These hard drives cost about $337 a piece. Let me take out my calculator. I'll give you the math on this real fast. I'll try to do some math. 337 times 4. Dang, that's $1,348. So how much are they selling these machines for? $3,500 when they only cost $1,300 to make. Where's all that extra money going? That's what you got to ask yourself. So what else? And these machines only come with a 250 watt power supply. So good luck adding some more hard drives onto this. I was just going to, add a couple more hard drives maybe on the top of it or something. But with only 250 watt power supply, I don't think I'll be able to do that. So that kind of sucks. So let me tell you basically what these machines do. These machines, basically, they store other people's stuff, other people's files. Do you want to be responsible for storing other people's stuff? Who knows what's in those files? They could have bad stuff on there. You want to be responsible for that bad stuff? And if you're a consumer wanting other people to store your stuff, do you want all your files to be on this machine in somebody's basement? How secure is that? So both ways you look at it, it's not pretty good. Let's take a look at this. There's a lot of competition out there, a ton of competition, way better projects that are more further along. Look at Filecoin. Filecoin's been doing this for years already. Look at this. $34 a coin. They established themselves as the #1 players in the storing data game. And then if you don't want Filecoin, you also could go to StoreJ. Now check out StoreJ. They got $1.62. They've been in the game for a long time. So, and look at the volume they're doing. They're doing massive volume, 52 million a day. Let's take a look at Filecoin. Wow, 267 million a day. Okay, let's take a look at ScPrime. 100,000 in volume a day. Even if you get these coins, Who's buying them? That's not enough value for people to buy them. Yeah, you have the coins, but if nobody wants them, there's no value there. No one's buying them. You get what I'm saying? So my suggestion to you is stay away from this project, man. This project, it sounds too good to be true, so it usually is too good to be true. If you don't believe me, let's check out Is This Coin a Scam? This site is like never wrong. If you ever want to figure out if a coin is a scam, you can go to isthiscoinascam.com and let's check out their score right here. Wow, 3.35. It has a poor rating. Look at this. So my assessment must be correct because Is This Coin a Scam is agreeing with me. If you want to get in the data storage and stuff, go with a legit company that, Filecoin, Storage, you could trust them. But either way, you're your own person, and this is not financial advice. I'm just sharing my educated opinion. And that's all I have for today. Hopefully, you'll listen to me and save your money. Subscribe.